Hey everyone, welcome to RC World. I have another amazing tutorial video to show you guys. So I'm gonna create a camera that can turn, like you can put it on your RC car and it can turn using a servo on your RC car or anywhere. And I do not have my tripod piece today, so it's gonna be a little bit funky. But I'm gonna use this 2.4 gigahertz control piece right here to do it, and I'm gonna plug it into a USB cord, and I'll show you guys how to do that here soon. Hold on, maybe I can actually get a tripod set up so I don't have to hold this. All right, 1 second. Okay, that's a little bit better. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a system for this piece right here. So my best idea is what you're gonna do is you're gonna take one of these modules. It kind of looks like what the servo has, but it only has two, as you can see. That this one's got 3 metal pieces inside that connect. This one's only got 2. You want this one with the 2 pieces. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your transmitting device piece. I keep forgetting what it's called. You're gonna plug it into bind channel 3, and you're gonna plug it in appropriately, like that. And you're gonna wanna make sure you expose both of these wires right here, red and black. Now, what we're gonna do is you're gonna take a standard, I would say have more of a beefy cord like this one right here. So you're gonna take a standard USB and then have it show the red and black. And then you might have a couple other wires. I just strapped those down here, those are not gonna be important. So now, you're gonna wire these on like this. You're gonna bend it like that. Alright. Oops. Oh, this came undone. Happens when the cord isn't big enough. Now, let me see. I got some tape right here. This is not electrical tape, but you want to use electrical tape. I don't have electrical tape right now. I don't have like the good stuff. I always have the bad stuff that doesn't like to work properly. So I'm just gonna tape it like that. Kind of tape it on there. I'm not gonna wrap it on there tight or nothing, so it's not gonna be pulling hard. I'm not gonna, you don't really have to do that one, but I recommend you do it because you just don't want them to touch. But do it a little better than I'm doing. I'm just doing this quick. Okay, so you have this. All right. Now what you're gonna do is let me see if I have a USB cable that I can bring close to you guys. The other one's too far away. So I'm gonna take, actually this is a really good example. I'm gonna take my Goal Zero panel, Nomad panel. I only have one. I'd like to get another one so you can have more power fluctuating through the system. And you can actually, with the Goal Zero, you can make this solar powered too. So, but I'm just gonna use the Guide 10 Plus right here. And then I'm gonna flip on the power right there. And then you can literally just plug this right in and hopefully it works, and it does. So now you can see the lights blinking and it's awaiting for signal. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna find my controller that goes with that. Now this Red Cat controller I have is a bit sticky from having nitro gas on it. So I really don't like using this one unless I'm driving a nitro gas car. So in another tutorial video, I'll show you guys how to bind another Red Cat controller to the ESC. But for now, I'm just gonna use this one as much as I don't like it. This controller is starting to die too, which is, I can't get it to come on correctly. Oh, almost had it. Right there, got to come on. Darn thing. Okay. So now I'm gonna turn this back on. It's gonna be waiting. And then after I turn the controller on, you can see that the light is now solid. I'm gonna take my little Traxxas servo, and you can use Traxxas servo or pretty much any servo that'll operate or at least plug into this thing. So I'm actually gonna put it into channel 2, as you can see right there. And, oh, nope, wrong channel, actually. Sorry about that. Plug it into channel 1. And now, as you can see, let me move this a little bit, right there. You can see, as I move this right here, remotely, which is awesome. So now I can turn the camera. This would be like I'm turning the camera. And now I'm gonna show you how to do that. So now let me turn this off. Okay. Okay, so now let me grab a piece of foam for you guys. So I got a big old piece of foam, as you can see. What I'm gonna do is, I can't show this on camera, it's too hard. Well, here, maybe I can a little bit, like this. Hopefully you guys can see this. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna like... Alright, now what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna place this on here, so then I can actually strap my camera to it. I really want to strap a gimbal mount to it like this. If you guys should all know these. I could probably sacrifice a gimbal mount and put some, like, you know, like copper stuff on it. Or sorry, not copper stuff. What's wrong with me? Some like, sorry, I'm gonna draw like hot glue on here. There's some hot glue on there, kind of like that. I might actually try doing that. So let me tighten that screw a little bit and then see. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. So let me warm up my hot glue gun. My hot glue gun is hot. And I'm gonna put a hot glue kind of in here, but I want to make it sure, or like I want to make it so that I can still use this gimbal mount on other things. Right now it's gonna be used for this, but like, you know, so I'm gonna just kind of, you guys can see up in here. Sorry about that. Kind of like right up in here, you want to get it nice and straight, and you guys know how to use hot glue, so. Might never be able to use the gear ever again, but I mean, hey, you know. Probably a bad idea to put it on there like that, but oh well. So it's gonna glue now. I'm gonna wait for it to finish gluing. Glue on this other side now. Just kind of put it all the way around. As best as you possibly can, you know. But do not let the hot glue touch the bottom plate. That doesn't move, because that will not be good if that happens. Get all these little things away. I'm gonna finish that glue, but I'm gonna take my 8-man action camera right here. I'm gonna put it in its mount. Hold on, guys. Some stuff fell off here. It should be able to place it kind of just on there. Now, mounting the servo is going to be the hard part, which is, I think, especially it's hard with the cords, I think I'm going to, like, glue the servo onto, like, this. I know it's going to be a tall camera. That's the only issue I have with it so far, is that it's really tall. So, let me see, is this done gluing yet? Okay guys, so this is the finished project, or product that came out of it. It's not the smoothest pivot head ever, but it's pretty cool. So it's just your basic servo, and then, you know, your little 2.4 gigahertz thing. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna strap it to an RC car, and hopefully it comes out pretty good. I'll probably use it on Gen 8 or something like that. Now, warning, the video may be a little bit high up. That's just my one problem that I really didn't want with it. That's what's gonna happen. Please like and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoy this. It's a very simple design, and I'm gonna see if I can hook it up to solar too, and go on from there. Alright guys, thanks for watching.